Have you ever fired up your PC ready to get to work, only to be slapped with that Windows is not genuine message? It is so frustrating. Well, today we are going to fix that error for good. And we're going to do it using the exact same tools that Microsoft's own engineers use. Let's get right into it.
So what is even going on here? I mean, you've been using this computer for years, everything has been fine, and now, all of a sudden, Windows decides it doesn't recognize itself? It almost feels personal, right? Well, trust me, you're not alone in this, and the best part is, you almost certainly didn't do anything wrong. You see, the problem usually isn't with your Windows license key at all. The real issue is a kind of communication breakdown inside a core Windows system called the Software Protection Platform. Just think of it like your computer's own internal security guard who's suddenly forgotten what you look like and is demanding to see your ID. Now, there are usually two main things that trigger this confusion. First, a really big Windows update can sometimes just scramble the activation data. It gets things mixed up. Or, and this is a big one, if you've recently upgraded some hardware, maybe you popped in some new RAM or swapped out the motherboard, the system gets confused and thinks it's an entirely new computer, losing track of its own valid license. Okay, enough about what's broken. Let's talk about how to fix it. We're going to start with the single most powerful command you can use to reset the entire activation system. This is our first and honestly our most important step. To do this, we need to get under the hood a little bit, so press your Windows key and just type in CMD. But wait, don't just hit enter. This part is absolutely critical. You have to right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Seriously, this is non-negotiable. If you don't, the system will just completely ignore the commands we're about to use. The tool we're about to use is called SLMgr. That stands for Software License Manager. And look, this isn't some shady third-party hack or anything. This is a powerful script built right into Windows itself. You're basically using the same tool a Microsoft technician would be using to solve this exact problem. All right, here's the magic command. You're going to type slmgr, that's slmgr, then a space, then a /, and then the word rearm. Hit enter. What this does is it tells Windows to just completely reset its licensing status. It's like giving the activation system a totally fresh start. You should see a little pop-up confirming the command worked. Okay, you'll see that pop-up and it's going to ask you to restart your computer. Do not do it. I know, it's tempting, but just hold on. If you restart right now, there's a good chance that annoying error is just going to pop right back up. There's one more crucial step we have to take to make sure this fix is permanent. So, to make sure that not genuine notification is gone for good, we need to do a little cleanup. We're going to clear out some old data from something called the Windows Registry. You can think of the registry as the central brain of your PC, and sometimes it just hangs on to old error messages that we need to manually sweep out. This is our two-part cleanup mission. First, you're going to open the registry editor. Just type regedit in the Start menu. Then you'll need to navigate down to the Software Protection Platform folder and look for any notification flags you can clear out. Now, if that doesn't quite do it, we'll go to step 2, grabbing your original product key. For that, you'll open Command Prompt again and type in the command you see here, exactly as it's written, to pull the license key that's actually embedded in your computer's hardware. Okay, deep breath. The hard part is officially over. You've reset the system, you've cleaned out any junk data. Now it's time to restart your computer. Let's do that, and when it boots back up, we are going to confirm that the fix was a success. And here it is, the moment of truth. Head over to your activation settings. That ugly watermark, that annoying error message, they should be completely gone, replaced by those beautiful words, Windows is activated. But hey, if you're anything like me, you want to be 100% sure this problem is never, ever coming back. Well, there's one final, super simple command we can run for total peace of mind. Let's open that command prompt as an administrator one last time. This time, type slmgr/xpr. This command simply checks the expiration date of your license. A tiny window is going to pop up and it's going to tell you exactly what you want to hear. The machine is permanently activated. Boom, done. So let's just quickly recap our game plan. First, we figured out what caused the problem. Second, we reset the entire licensing system with the rearm command. Third, we cleaned out those old registry caches. Fourth, we grabbed the hardware key just in case. And finally, we verified the permanent fix with the XPR command. That's it, a simple 5-step solution to a really major headache. You know, by following these steps, you've done a lot more than just get rid of an annoying message. You've actually learned how to talk directly to your operating system to reestablish its own identity. That's a pretty powerful skill to have in your back pocket. The only question left is, what mystery are you going to solve next?